Hello friends, welcome to our channel Currency in Crypto. So today I am going to discuss about one such coin which has immense potential. Okay, but people are constantly ignoring it. So guys, just be with me for 3 to 5 minutes. I will explain the best coin in recent times which has immense potential and which can give you huge benefit, which can give you maybe 100x in coming days. Okay, just be with me. Have you ever imagined that the most common word, the most key word of these whole blockchain systems or whole cryptocurrency market? What is the main keyword which is used most of the times? Yes, that is decentralization, decentralized system. But are we following the proper decentralized applications? Are we following that? You will be surprised to know that maybe many of you know that Ethereum's 25% node is running on AWS cloud. So AWS is centralized, right? It is under Amazon Web Service. In Amazon holding 25% of Ethereum nodes. So how it is decentralized then? Definitely not, right? So suppose if some of the centralized part to node is damaged, I know Amazon is a big company. There is no chance that will collapse by day. But is that the proper definition of decentralization? That one part of the 25% of a net node of a blockchain system like Ethereum is on AWS. So definitely that is not good, right? So what is the alternative then? Here, here comes the one of the finest token which I am talking about, that is ICP, Internet Computer. So I will not discuss about much. It is a small short video. Okay, so let's go to my computer screen. So where I will show you that what are the things which Internet Computer is going to build and what are the things they are planning to do. Okay, so after that you can imagine that how big it can be in maybe in coming days. Okay, my computer screen. So now you can see I have opened the roadmap of definity.org. Yes, the Definity Foundation is the owner of ICP. So ICP is Internet Computer, which is made by Definity Foundation. So what is that? Definity Foundation is committing R&D resources to the Internet computer ecosystem in the form of following proposed technical contributions. So just let's see what they are planning to do. The first, they have already deployed this part. There are many things they have already built. They have their own blockchain. They have their own blockchain technology like Ethereum and like Bitcoin, like Solana. Okay, and they are claiming themselves to be the third best innovation in this blockchain industry. Why? Because the first one, which Bitcoin introduced, that total blockchain system, how the decentralization happens and everything, those are introduced by Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin is the father, about Bitcoin, you can say, is the king of this decentralized environment or in this crypto world, right? The second one is Ethereum, definitely, because in Ethereum, first introduced the concept of smart contracts, by which actually more and more applications are building on top of Ethereum's and on top of Ethereum, right? So you can say that Ethereum has that kind of a potential that it can, on top of it is a kind of platform. On top of that, people are building many NFTs, people are building dApps, people are building metaverse, everything. So this is the second best. And why this is the third best? ICP, why claiming, or ICP is claiming to be the third best company in this blockchain? Because they are giving that platform where these Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, or Polkadot, every blockchain can connect it with uh, ICP. Okay, ICP will give the main foundation by which they will run. They do not need to depend on AWS or Google Cloud, any centralized server. They do not need to depend. ICP will give that platform in a decentralized way. That's why they are claiming to be. They are claiming themselves to be the third best blockchain innovations. Okay, so just they have developed many things. Enable canister smart contract to control the ICP. What is canister? So actually, canister is a type of a smart contract which is just connected to another blockchain community, and it will just give a passage to continuously means the transactions to be go in and go out. Okay, it will give a passage through that. Okay, so here you can see the definition: enabling all the canister smart contracts types to interact with ICP ledger to control ICP tokens. Currently, for security reasons, only now NNS canister smart contracts are used. The second part is expanded internet identity support. Continued expansion of the supported device internet identity to include more browser and device that support web authentications, and in particular in Windows. Okay, so it is giving more and more support for the extended internet versions, or all the normal internet what we are doing, that the normal surfing and all those things which currently we are doing in a centralized way. Okay, so ICP is going to provide all those details in a decentralized way. You will do everything. You will surfing internet. You can deploy your web application, though currently it is not a dynamic way, but yes, a static page you can deploy in ICP. Okay, so those things are deployed. There are many things they have already deployed. You can check if you go to the definitive org. I am not going to in details, but the most interesting part which they are developing currently, direct integration with Bitcoin. Okay, that is actually the main things what they are going to do. Currently every one of us know that Bitcoin does not have support generic smart contract functionality, right? That smart contract is not there in Bitcoin. That people means many others organizations cannot build their application on top of Bitcoin. Okay, so and the another problem is Bitcoin transaction rate is very slow, and Bitcoin there is a too much transactions cost for Bitcoin. Now what ICP is providing. So ICP is giving a canister system. The way I have explained canister before, actually it is a kind of a smart contract. They have actually envisioned it, that they will give a kind of a smart contract which the Bitcoin, all the Bitcoin's nodes will connect to that, and people can actually transactions people can do with Bitcoin through this ICP. So now Bitcoin transaction rate is very slow, very costly. So what is the main target of ICP? They are going to minimize that cost. Okay, so that is a huge things which is coming here. Okay, so so for that, actually you can see that direct integration with the Bitcoin, that is developing phase. In developing phase, that is, so once it is done, then this coin, no one can actually stop this coin. This is going to be huge. Okay, only 446 crore uh, coin are available in the market. So if that implementation is done, then this, no one can touch this. No one can touch this coin. Maybe it can touch Ethereum, maybe it can touch Bitcoin. If all the proposal which they have, if they develop everything, then this is going to be huge. And if uh, okay, so now let's go to the coin market cap. Okay, where I'm showing you currently its price. So it started its price from $732 or $750. Okay, but now its price I'm showing you. So here we have come in coin market cap. Here you can say in the last 1 month chart, you can say that current value is 31.44. Okay, so 31.55 actually. Here you can see that 31.55 the current price. So this kind of potential a coin have, and whose price is only this. Okay, so that is not the look here. The total supply 47 crore, 52 lakhs 25,226. That is the total supply of the coin. So once they develop all those things, can you imagine that how it can go? Now it is $31, but this coin when it launched, it was nearly $750. Okay, from there actually it has come here. So anytime you can see huge rally, like Solana, we have seen Solana, we can have seen in case of Shiba Inu, Solana, Dogecoin, Ethereum, all those have those rally, right? Big rally. Then at a time there are 8x, 10x, 50x, 100x hike. Then currently metaverse coins are going to huge. Okay, so Sandbox, Mana, all those coins are going big. So anytime you can see that these coin have such a potential that anytime it can be in that place too. Okay, so for the time being I started with saying that maybe 3 to 5 minutes, but maybe it is nearly 10 minutes or 10 minutes. Okay guys, so thanks a lot. Hope you like this video, and hope it just increase your crypto knowledge a bit. Okay, thanks a lot.